Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's session we are going to discuss about continuation of arithmetic group instruction. The last video we discussed up to DAS instruction, decimal adjacent after addition. Now we discussed conversion of byte to word instruction and word to double word instruction, and remaining 4 is the ASCII adjacent, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division functions. Okay. The ninth instruction is CBW. The C represents for conversion, converting the byte of value into word value. Write one program, move AL, 22H. In this instruction, 22H is the immediate content. That content is transferred to AL register. After transferring the immediate value into AL register, the next instruction is CBW. Convert the byte number. The specified register, whatever content is present, that byte number is converted into word number. 8-bit into 16-bit. Just extend the values. Copy the signed bit value. The content is transferred to the AH register. First you write the binary number for AL 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. This value hold in AL register. Now you extend the bit. Here the signed bit value is 0. This 0 is copied. The content transferred to entire 8 bit of AH register. You just copy the content and place in entire AH register. Here signed bit is 0. This content is copied and pasted in AH register. The 10th instruction CWD. CWD represents for convert word into double word. 16-bit value into 32-bit value. Just conversion of 16-bit into 32-bit. Here also we write one program. Move AX, the corresponding value F0 C7. It's a 16-bit content. Then write the conversion instruction, convert word into double word. First you write the binary number for this number 111 0 0 0 0. C represent for 110, then 0 111. It's a binary number for given immediate value F0 C7. In this instruction, execute whatever value present in sign bit. This content is copy and paste to the next register. So in this instruction we have two registers. First register is AX value F0 C7. The extended bit stored in DX register. The signed bit number is 1. This content is copy and paste in entire DX 111 111 111 111. The 16-bit value placed in the signed bit number. So after execution of this instruction, AX value F0 C7, DX value FF. That's a function of CWD. The 11th instruction AAA. So in this instruction, it declare ASCII adjust after addition function. So after addition function, how to adjust the ASCII numbers. There also we write one program. First you get the value move AL, 05, move BL, 09. Next add AL, BL. The fourth instruction is AAA. First you get the 8-bit number. That number transferred to AL register. Second value 09. This content transferred to BL register. The third instruction, just adding the two content, BL register plus AL register. So first we write the binary number for 05 and 09. The ASCII value represent 302 39. The 30 represent equivalent to decimal number is 0. 39 equivalent decimal number 9. Okay. So first you write the ASCII number for 05 0011 0101 35. So 35 is equivalent to 5. The next number BL register it hold 9 equivalent ASCII number 39. Just adding the two content 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1 1 1 0. After addition of these two content, first you check the higher bit and 4 lower bits. In which bit is greater than 9? Here this bit is greater than 9. You convert the valid BCD number, you just add 6 0 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry value 1 triple 1 1 sum 1 carry 1 1 plus 1 0. The auxiliary carry propagate to the next bit 0 plus 1 1 1 1 0. In this ASCII conversion, whatever value present in the higher nibble, this content is masking. So after addition of 6, whatever content present in higher nibble, this content just you mask. One more cases, if auxiliary carry equal to 1, AH value equal to AH plus 1, just incrementing the AH value. After masking, you can get the values 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This value stored in AL register. AH value before execution 0 0 plus 1 0 1. Now you can get AX equal to 0 1 0 4. It's the answer of this. Normally you add 0 5 plus 0 9, you can get the result is 1 4. Here the AX value 0 1 and 0 4. Finally you can get the same result 14. I think it's clear. The next instruction AAS. AAS represent ASCII adjust after subtraction. In this instruction you just adding the two content, then if the result is invalid BCD number, you just add 6, then you mask the higher bit. But here you just getting the two numbers, then subtracting the two number. After you can use the AAS instruction. Write on program move AL comma 25 move BL comma 06 SUB AL comma BL. The fourth instruction AAS. So first you write the binary number for 25. First you divide in the unpacked BCD number. So unpacked BCD number means 0 to 05. 02 stored in AH register, 05 stored in AL register. This 25 is converted into unpacked BCD number. The unpacked BCD number structure is 0 to 05. Here you write AH value 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. AL value 05. Write the binary number of 5. Okay, it's a binary number. The second instruction is move BL comma 06. Whatever value present in immediate content, that content is transferred to BL. The third instruction is just subtracting the BL value minus AL. BL value is 06. You just write here the equivalent binary number. Just you subtracting the number 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 1. There is no possibility. You can get the borrow from nearest bit 10 minus 1 1. So this bit is 0. You can get the borrow from outside 1 1 1 1 1 10. So 1 1 1 1 1 1. After subtraction of AL minus BL, you can get the result FF. Here auxiliary carry is present in AL register. Here you are just subtracting the value by 1. AH value equal to AH minus 1, just subtracting the value 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. If borrow present, you just subtracting whatever value present in AH minus 1. So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. After subtraction, the AH value is 0 1. In this subtraction, both the values are greater than 9. You just consider the lower 4 bit, lower nibble only. This bit subtract by 6 1 0 0 1. This 4 bit you just mask. After masking, you can get the result is all the values are 0. The AH value. This is the AH value. 25 minus 6. You can get the result 19. Here also you can get the result 19. 1 9. It's a function of AAS. 13th instruction AAM. ASCII adjust after multiplication. After multiplication, whatever value you can get, that content is converted into ASCII format. Adjust to BCD number. Here also we write on program move AL, 08H, move BL, 08H. After getting the two value, multiply AL, BL. The fourth instruction, adjust. It's clear? This 08 is transferred to AL register. This 08 is transferred to BL register. After getting the two value, you just multiply the two content. 08 into 08. The final result is 64. After multiplication of these two register content, you can get the result is 64. The AAM instruction, the function of AAM instruction, this content is split into unpacked BCD number. So what is unpacked BCD number? This two number is split into two 8-bit. The representation of unpacked is 06 and 04. This 04 is placed into AL register, 06 is placed into AH register. The after execution of AAM instruction, AX value equal to 06 04. It's a result of this program. The next one, AAD. In this instruction, performing the after division function, how to adjust the value. Here also you write the program move AX, 06 07, move CH, 09, AAD. After AAD instruction, you can use DIP CH. Here first instruction says whatever immediate value present, this content is transferred to AX register. After moving AX value 06 07. The second instruction move CH, 09. This immediate value 8-bit value is transferred to CH register. After execution, CH value 09. Here you can use AAD instruction. In this instruction, just converting the unpacked BCD number into packed BCD number. So after conversion, the value AX equal to 67 0067. Then you can use the division instruction. 67 divided by CH value 09. Division 7, 4. This 7 is a quotient. This 4 is a remainder. AH register it hold 07. AL register it hold 04. Its represent quotient, 4 represent remainder. These are the examples of arithmetic group instruction. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.